Hello traders, Nifty opened against the trend, that is yesterday's trend is bearish trend. It opened higher and after that there is a pullback. It went higher slow and steadily. Initially after opening there is a rejection from this level. This is a resistance level that we discussed yesterday, and this is going to be a support level if there is any bounce. So there is a bounce, it is going to act as a support level next time when it's going to test, and it is a support level. If we zoom out, we can see that I'm going to show you that this is a support level. Now it worked out as a support level. It bounced off from this level. There is a rejection and it retraced. It broke this level, consolidated and closed around this level. This is what has happened, and what is going to happen tomorrow. Let's create our plan based on the important support and resistance levels. And one more thing I wanted to show you, I created a indicator for scalping, and that indicator is able to capture these moves, successfully able to capture this move, this first bullish move and this first bearish move. Let me show you by showing you that indicator. Here is the indicator. This is a option buying premium strategy indicator. This is a simple price action. It opened here, made a low, and after that it made a high. It made a low again, it made a high, and it made a low, and it consolidated. This is a clear trend line breakout, and there is a clean signal here. After that it went higher non-stop, and it made almost 1:2, 1:2.5. Then you should book the target around 1:2. When you are getting more than 1:2 profit, you should book that profit. And after that there is a reversal signal. Even if you not exited, if you are expecting a more profit, there is a reversal signal, and in this reversal also it worked out decently. This is a scalping strategy that I am working on. It has a high win rate probability, and I am planning to include this in my option buying course, which I am going to launch. I'll update you soon when it is going to be launched. Okay, let's get back to our analysis, daily market analysis. Let's mark important support and resistance levels based on today's price action. Here I am using a 5 minutes time frame. This is going to be an important resistance level because there is a sell-off from this point, and important support is going to be this level, previous day's low, and this is the important level because Nifty bounced from this level multiple times. I showed you this in yesterday's video as well, and yesterday we discussed if it's going to open below this level, it is going to be bearish. If it opens above this level, it is going to be bullish, but it opened inside this range. I expected a sideways day. It happened as in same like that. It is a sideways day with just a slow and steady momentum on the upside. Rest of the day it just consolidated by slowly moving higher. Okay, let's mark the important support areas. This is going to be a support area because it bounced 2 times. First time and second time there is a consolidation around this level, so it respected. Tomorrow I am expecting a couple of scenarios, and one more thing is today's candle is indecision candle, doji candle. I hope you can see here this indecision and doji candle. Whichever the side it is going to break, the momentum is going to continue, and as per previous days price action, the 2 candles, it is a bearish move. If this low breaks, we can see further downside move for this gap fill. After that it may bounce or it may break down again. That's another story for tomorrow. What we should do is whether it is going to break this low or the high. If it's going to break this high, we may see another retest of this level. I hope you understood clearly. Let's create our plan in a 5 minutes time frame. First plan is if it opens inside this range, it is going to consolidate for some time. After consolidation, if it's going to break out this level, it is going to move on the higher side. And after consolidation, if it's going to break this level, it is going to go on the lower side, and the next important support area is this one, and after that this is the support area. You should exit around this point. If it opens below this range, look for pullback and enter the short trade. If it opens above this range, any pullback, you should look for buying opportunity in the breakout or in the pullback. Here also after opening a gap down, if it moves down quickly, you should take the trade in a breakout. If there is any pullback, you should enter in the pullback. That is our plan for tomorrow based on these levels, and today's price action is indecision. It just consolidated. Market participants are not clear about the trend. and previous day's trend is bearish. If this trend is going to get a follow through, this low and this low, these lows should break. If it's breaking these lows, we'll see further downside momentum. If it's not able to break this low and if it's breaking this high, then the momentum will be on the upside. And these are the scenarios that I have for tomorrow. Based on the openings, it is going to work out. Without breaking these levels, don't take any trades. This level or this level. If it opens inside this range and consolidates, don't take any trades. Only when this level breaks, this upside level or downside level, then only take the trades. That's all for tomorrow's analysis. If you wanted to get access to that indicator, you can reach me out in WhatsApp and let me know that you are interested. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.